Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Snapchat account. It's very easy, watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the Snapchat application, tap on profile icon from the top left corner, then tap on settings icon from the top right corner. Scroll down and you will see I need help in the support section. Tap on it, Snapchat support will open. Tap on the search bar and search delete my account. Here you will see this link. How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? Tap on it. On the next screen, scroll down and tap on Snapchat accounts portal. Enter your username or email here and tap on next. Then a confirmation page will appear and a verification code will be sent on your number. Enter it here, then tap on next. After that, on the next screen, tap on delete my account. Enter your Snapchat account password here and tap on continue. The account is now deactivated, which means nobody will be able to contact you and your chats will also be lost. But your account hasn't been deleted yet. It will be permanently deleted after 30 days if you don't log in meanwhile. And this is how you can delete Snapchat account.